Do you want to post Ghibli photo on Instagram? You can create a Ghibli image and post on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To create and post your own Ghibli art style image on Instagram, first, open Grok Ai on your mobile device. If you have not installed it before, install it from the App Store or Play Store. You will see this type of interface. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom left side of the screen. Now, a pop-up menu appears. From here, tap on Photos. Now, you will see the images from your device gallery. Choose one of your pictures to convert into Ghibli art. Once the image is uploaded, in the text input field, type a prompt like "Convert this image into Ghibli art." Now, tap on the submit icon to convert and generate your image into Ghibli-style art. Wait for the process, it may take some time. Now, it will transform your uploaded normal picture into an anime-style cartoon. Tap on the Ghibli art picture to view it in full screen and save it into your device gallery. Once downloaded, open the Instagram app and create a new post. Choose the Ghibli art photo you have just downloaded and post it on your account.